Hi, Beth the Norwex lady here. We're going to do a deeper dive today into my absolute favorite item in the catalog, and that's the Norwex PowerZyme laundry detergent. So I actually started my Norwex career falling in love with the Norwex detergent. It wasn't the PowerZyme because we didn't have that one then. It was our other powder, but this one stole my heart and I sing its praises, and I hope you love it as much as I do. There's so much to say about this detergent. I will try to remember it all because when I ramble, I tend to forget. But you know what? Let's just start by talking about the enzymes. Okay, so many of our products in the Norwex catalog are enzyme based. So think of enzymes like Pac-Man, right? And they're attacking those little whatever dots along the screen, and they just disappear, right? So enzymes are like Pac-Man, but what they're doing is that they're eating the dirt and the stains and the bacteria and all the things, right? And enzymes are great because they're continuously working. They're breaking down bacteria and soils and dirts and stains and all that great stuff. So the Norwex PowerZyme detergent is enzyme based. And there's 4 different types of enzymes in here. So our enzymes are all pinpointed for certain stains that you would get on your clothes, like food, right? Like different types of mayonnaise or egg-based or barbecue stains, things like that. Also, the enzymes are targeted for dirts and grass stains and just, your kids rolling around, that kind of thing. But the really cool enzyme that's in here is it is an actual built-in water softener. So even if you have been using our regular laundry detergent for your Norwex cloths, you notice that over time your cloths get a little bit hard, your clothes get a little bit hard. A lot of times that is coming from the minerals that are in your water. Well, the built-in water softener in our PowerZyme will help break down those minerals and keep your clothes naturally softer. So you don't need a dryer sheet, you don't need fabric softeners when you use our PowerZyme, which is super cool. All right, so in other words, another thing that's really cool about our Norwex PowerZyme, and if you're totally geek out on weird things like I do, you're going to love the fact that it is plant-based. So here is some crazy stuff that I had learned. So you'll see on the bag that there is a symbol that it says it's USDA certified bio-based product. So there are a lot of bio-based products out there on the market, but in order to have this symbol, the product has to be 30%, I believe 30% bio-based, made from plants for it to get that symbol. So that still means there's a whole lot of it that is not bio-based, which could be very misleading, thinking that you're getting a really good, safe product, but it's still 70% bad stuff. So most of your current bio-based laundry detergents that are on the market are just at that bare minimum of about 30%. Okay, so the Norwex laundry detergent is 91% bio-based. 91% made from plants, and the rest, it has no extra added harmful chemicals to it, so there's nothing in there that is going to hurt you, and it is so great. So why do we love this? It's great at, like I said, breaking down stains and like oil stains, grease stains, the smells, the grass stains. It does all of it. So it's perfect for your everyday laundry. Yes, great for your Norwex cloths as well. It's actually formulated with our cloths in mind, but it is perfect for your everyday laundry. So you should definitely give it a try. So now here's the little tips and secrets about our PowerZyme laundry detergent. So first of all, this is a Ziploc bag, and this is a powder. Ziploc bags and powder do not mix. It just means that you cannot seal it very well, and you should have this bag sealed because there's no chemicals in there to keep the detergent from clumping. Like your store-bought detergents won't clump because they've got all the chemicals in there. Well, this will. It will pull the moisture, the humidity out of the air, and it will make it hard. So you don't want to do that. So it has to be sealed. So my recommendation is open it up and put your detergent in a different container, something that is sealed, like Tupperware, Rubbermaid, a mason jar, something like that. Then my other little tip is throw away the scoop that comes inside. Throw it away because you're going to see on the back, there's going to be like, oh, use this much for, whatever. And you're going to end up just using way too much because you're like, oh, more is better, right? Well, that's actually not the case. So just throw away the scoop. Now, my personal recommendation is that you will use 1 tablespoon of our PowerZyme detergent no matter what kind of machine you have. So top loader, front loader, whatever, 1 tablespoon right in the tub, throw your clothes on side, and away you go, right? If you're doing smaller loads, yes, you should definitely use less, but 1 tablespoon. So when it says on the bag, it's good for 100 loads. That's 100 small loads. Again, kind of don't love that, but I really, truly don't know anybody that does small loads. We all like stuff our detergent, our clothes in our wash machines, which please do not do that. Do not overstuff your wash machine. You want to make sure that there's room for the water and detergent to do its thing. But large loads, 1 tablespoon, you're going to get about between 73 and 74 loads. So it's like 73 and a half-ish. So that is what you're going to get per bag. I absolutely love it. I think it's great. And, this does sometimes go on sale, but you can always get PowerZyme on sale when you subscribe to our autosave. You get 10%. So that's pretty cool. And of course, you can always join my club and you can try to get your PowerZyme for free. So I think that's it. I'm sure there's so much more about it. I'll probably end up making another video in the future because I love it so much. But give it a shot, give this switch, and you will not be sad. All right, have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.